Open the Azure portal. Search for the virtual machine. Click Create Virtual Machine. Create a new resource group. Select an existing one if you already have. Enter the virtual machine name. Select the region based on your need. I will select Canada East. For this demo, I need Windows 11, so I am selecting Windows 11. If you want, you can select Ubuntu or others also. Enter the new username password for your virtual machine. Check the box only if you already have a valid Windows 10 or 11 license that allows use in the cloud. I am selecting OS disk type as standard SSD. You can select whatever you want. Since this is a demo VM, I am leaving other settings at their default values. Click Create. Once the deployment was completed, click the Go to Resource. You can connect the created VM using multiple methods. I'm going to use native RDP method. Just follow this.